Preparing for an overseas trip involves more than just packing your bags and booking your flights. It's also important to ensure that your phone is secure and that you're prepared in case it gets lost or stolen. It's even more important these days, as your phone usually plays a key role in any two-factor identification. Here are some steps you can take to protect your device and your data. Enable the Find My Device feature on your phone. Use a strong passcode or biometric security to protect your device. Create a backup of your device before you leave. Consider using a VPN when connecting to public Wi-Fi networks. Keep a copy of your device's serial number or IMEI number in a safe place. If your phone is stolen while you're overseas, don't panic. You can restore your data onto a new device by signing in with your Apple ID or Google account, selecting the most recent backup, and waiting for the backup to download. By following these steps, you can help ensure that your phone is secure and that you're prepared for any eventuality while traveling overseas. There is more information in the description.